Watching more Badwam TV bedroom Dumadi eso yedenya asese nenso oma departure na yefidie no Adom TV bedroom Dumadi ni ahyase de edi kan kra no kase edoso na ne yetodwa wo mu bi a wo betini abetodwa se wo se mpanifo a ehwe nwumasua so no yemeyani ekọ na hyase ni mu nkora ntotofe wo honom no ano de odo be hye wo no enne beka won ama won munyinimu ewa adesuamu nso atumpone ti wode ato ahweyehwe enwumasuanim so wo monhwe ho no mu ye de honsam no ebebro na afi enimdefo a won nso abene ewo nsuo ne fi emu nsam wo mo ne mpanifo ahia di nkomo hwe kwan befa so na ensuo eho hawo etuo betwa na fi so emene ye no etuo betwa eno ne nsem bi na no pay mede bro Adom TV bedwam kase o shine live on Facebook /Adom TV Extra, Go TV 119, DSTV 280. Uko YouTube na wo search here hwehwe Adom TV Tube yo ho. Dwumadi ahodo nyina no ubenya bi. Anopa mi amesomo medin de afia amankwa tamaklo. Afia ni dem tie se den nsam ni kyeremu ankasa etie. Efutuo ne kokobo na ekode ama asuaye a won mo hwe nwumasua so ene wo mo eka bi ewo mu nyina se enne mmofra no totofe wo mu hofo no eho na wo se nimdie bia na yede hyase adifiri se be ya ebeto so ade akosi won mo da achen se de dansi ekura no obi aka se foundation no fapem no eno ne betumi ama edan na gina ne na so nti sanso na te ewo nwumasua mu a wo se mmofra totofe wo no mu bremu no yebema nimdie no akọ ana hyase wo ho Director General da Institute for Educational Planning and Administration at the University of Cape Coast, Dr. Michael Adom, and at the Sansemi Etuja.
The investment, Sika Edisha Foundational Learning Moon Elfom, and Tiene ye bote Gina Socasia Pan say investment in foundational learning, Yaman Kosro. Yem physical shim different types and new books are draw ICT related new money bitim diacham kolana the physical shim. Yeah, we are doing very well free senior high school and anya aban ko but adwuma intini do bi aba se kwan be na be faswa ye be investing more in foundational learning na anya Ghana ko we sa fa na nyina say obi a foundational learning because ye hu say wa am foundation anya stronger the oba ye bia ho ye be wrong investment. One year, one invest well in foundational learning. One year, be wrong investment.
And wechi also afabedi echa wo share enwumasua so Reverend Intim Fojo editor just say eba na enwumasua hye yepo na ye curriculum no Ghana bo na homodin pa we bibire mato ye famu a ni nchirechire mu no nso ogidi se san hye mu yi akoso yi ebetimi aboa ama enwumasua so ye no enwunu de obeye afa ho
ebeboa amietumi ahye enwumasua kina titrew kwa ye fa so ekyere ye mofra nkumana de also Ghana, your standard-based curriculum. What is the to Bibi Memuha is one of the best curriculum I will say and Nyoma say the chair Mofrano is one of the best. We South Africa the free wire the end the top. Now one critical thing we said is one thing having a very good curriculum and another thing so being techniques are a dimwa will be to me the curriculum no. Now I know ni wa home and you know guswa yede enkyerɛkyerɛ ne best practices pedagogies tete teacher for
nimdifo ya wo mo ka bi wo mu ewo nsuo ne fi emu ensam ahie hwe kwan ye befa so na efi a emene ye ene nsuo ye ho ayeden emen ahodo bie etuo betwa na won mo kasa no won de to aban no anim sanke be ye asika ye twade ema wo mo nka ye mpagya mu kakra o mo ogidie pa asase ye pagya mu betumi aboa ma wonwuma a wo mo ye no etumi akoso na botaye no ye nso ye du ho so man Adom kase etwaso yi
ba se ye ma nipa enya ahonidie papa sanitation and hygiene a ye to sinipa na afibia no World Vision Ghana and the Ministry of Sanitation and Water Resources ye kambo mu ya pet topic bia ye nim sese ye dwen ho a ebeboa ma sector no what sector na konanim and ye hwe pa e leadership isan say ade bia no ye say everything begins with leadership all other things else na causes and effects and what we are looking for is for government to prioritize this sector, give it greater prioritization, invest a lot more into it, and then ensure that we have enforcement, we have coordination, we have monitoring evaluation, and then we have a lot of partnerships.
Say Jumedi in the Fakasi na any say, Ebeboa ama in see and what see about Maymo. Now when in some sweaty me a conkai, or so far to say Wabonidia or no and ever share in Swanswania when in so yeno so a Lydia, Saram Al Hassan Uchremwa.
I wish to call on all to reaffirm our unwavering commitment to prioritizing water and sanitation.
Bayanto akasiano so na kwantufoɔ ne adrobafoɔ ɛfa kaso winiba kwantempo no so no de wakosama tudwa ya me anim no ugina nkran na nso don hwɛ miensa na to so saa no ɛha wɔn madwen na we de so bo no contractor na wɔyɛ kwan no ɛna osusu so wɔka ho bi fi sɛ kwan no mu pɛ ɛna wɔ pipe ti na ama ho kyerɛ abaso adom kase fa ho ɛto so
sadia me no kase ɛkwan no gusu akɔso no akwano machine no ne se ni abra wo tinete ni yi kwan na ni abre pa ogusu a wo ye kwan gidigidi pa otum se enete wa asase nya wo yi na te ni nyina na director of operations amadwumakoi na Fremont awa anum sei onu na ye gomo is na admo director Ura Robert Hackman awa anum sei yemusa no die nti o modwa kwan no papa ade na nti na modwa kwan no me se tu
yo me da se onye bo apoyo da ye twa kwan no na ye kwan na ye hu de oye kwan ne fifi no aboba bi da ho a ombo adwuma no nti ode ye twa kwan ne mu na ye pai nti se hwe mechi ho abonda ya pai aboba ne bi ho na ye nwie na aboba no owura asase na ase bewura kwan na ase nti ode ye yi dem kwan na da na ye de ye di fi ono na amama ye de ye yi kwan ne fifi no nti onye bo apoyo na afi so ansa na ye baba ye no so ye ma announcement ye wie so ya kire ba bia cars no won ye den won fa na mom Ghana fo obi apehwe nti obi apede oba na bebe den obebu ha da ye no example am de mo inde time ayere ye oye blast ni dey ma ya nkase na kwan no ye na oye ye de na sabi ye gban no na Ghana yi okogina bebe ye blast no opede ohwe ada ayere ye nti ono na mama cars na agba apede ba hu de police fo no bay wa mama traffic no oye de oroko nti so far so good ye mo by de obokoro de mana akwentofo won ho kire na ye so ye be ye adwuma na Ghana for one watch. We be say that be na mwe because as a nyedwa kitwa o. Anya nyedwa kitwa na mo kwan ya twem at least. One man be bosom kor. Ye bo bi kwan na atum kama.
Na ni osofo ya wo share roads and highways so asenso watches ban bono homoden pa se wone aban nwumaku ahodo no ebehia na fe SCC kasoa toll booth no a nshoto kakra bia na yire esikwan no won ahwe CC.
Omanfo beka ya Adom News in Central for the betumanim ashan awodo bia ekokaye ewo SCC ede koka so atobut abra nsuo no etojaye no ashan awodo na wo mo etwem wo ho no eche wo kwan mu ansa na wo mo etimi akọ abra asem no esiye no osoafo a ono na hwe roads and highways eso asenso boache ene engineers akọ akọhwe de ekoso no ede ato omanfo enim se wo mo behwe no mo de niam agu akwan ama tuetwa
storm drainage challenges here in Accra and indeed many parts of the country. But I mean, it's better late than never. They've started the construction, so we are very confident that very soon this problem will be addressed. Talking about funding and all that, what I know is that because we didn't have the full funding, the project was being done in phases. As and when that resources are available, then we come and continue. So, but on the substantive question, all these issues, I don't want to be the one answering the question for the Ministry of Western Housing. It's not the best. We at the Ministry of Roads, we are the receiving end. Because of the activities, it affected our roads, and that's why we came in. But what I can say is that we are going to collaborate with my sister ministry, which is the Ministry of Western Housing, to address the challenge that we
Adom TV, Badwam kase na ubiso shani ya toso de mako asante na mpenifo a womoda Kejetia City Market anonso won mo ankasa fatu won ho so ye hanye ni a shops ahodo be se 500 de won mo aloke no sebe ya e car won mo edi ECG eye 600,000 no won betumi atwa na managing director da facility na no ye Edmond Dufo Day wono ene de sansemi etudwa.
Yeah, local shops a day. It will lock between 500 to 700 shops, from 500 to 700 shops on a daily basis. We'll continue to do that to retrieve the money. You have another challenge in this retrieval of outstanding debt. Shops are amount for allocate. Amount for budget shops are allocate, but we build them because the shops are supposed to be operative, and you wouldn't know which shop is operating and which shop is not operating. And so we bill you with what you are required to be billed with.
Nenkase so na ochre se de be ya ECG embetwa edwane nkane mu biemu ntino wahyehyɛ ama won se na wotwe miensa bia wonhwɛ na ontua Ghana sika no 1.5 million Ghana cedi.
Yetua 1.5 million, 15 billion to defray an outstanding debt of almost 7.2 million Ghana cedis, 72 billion. And the arrangement with ECG is so acute, so tough. We say 22nd April, you pay 1.5 million. On the 9th of May, which was even less than 3 weeks, you say I could pay 1.5 million. Until Cabo 1, you paid 3 million cedis within a maximum of less than 3 weeks.
Otware nkase so ekere ekwanya obefa so ajeje nkania kade buni bi edi afri emprempre ma wajeje won separate meters na ho.
Yenim obia shop obia neneka. Sentina yichimi koloke no ba na achiro se wokani. You better roll on that with the leadership of the market, no. You better possible no. Obetia, obetopa will be a better can be free.
Adoba 4 ya one more FR circle dikopie mo North Carnation so one more super one sama to Adom kase anim se aveno rail no eso railway crossing no ya me animu ni hadwin ni nso tokora de unhunu kura no wakoho na prince osu asiedu ekoho etwaso
bia megine ya aveno railway line aida mechie ahase ya mo hwei ensuo eto a ensuo no etimi eta ama ahyen a womokọ na womo eba no womo bre pa ahyen a womo etwemu ewa hai e de ato eye urban road se womo enhwe se saka kwan ne railway se ne aye ensuo to ade bia ensuo ebeta ha no eyade a eha adwene pa umienti ensem bia ahyemkafo ebi e de to Adom News in Central for enim
Mr. Zeka taxi 2010 ewo ha adewe eha yen papa apai me car ba ko e base ya kan ho asema no pa awia hwe se taxi drivers trotro drivers every blessed day you try road wet ne de ya na ekumi se road wet yetua ewo mam se beboa ya kwan a ye fa so enso driver fo ni se road wet yetua wo ho ye hu fa so a yenya ebi ni hwe railway si car base ebi na car ye nua na car akamu
aba no ntwe no ye ma ye wai ese won no ma no we ese ye nyoma na de ka hu nyoma bubu na de aba no ye pancho ntwe no ye ma ye enye ne o kra more than 1 year ebu 1 year kra che ntwe no ye ma ye
samotin sema ahyemkafo yi edi tu dwei we enye de edikan Adom News in Central for aba emprensa amane boy me amede free aveno railway line ansuo eyire afa ha e de brɛ no medin e de Prince Owusu Esiedu Adom News.
Mampani abede akire de atudwasa aban no ye nhyehyɛ pa na anese for allowance bia akamu bia no wo so wodema wo mo free nei anana wotwe ye wo mu ekro Adom kase etwaso.
I wish to assure our nursing trainees also, because whenever I go, they say Alawa has not yet dropped. And so I engage the Ministry of Finance, and the minister has in fact sent me the evidence that by Thursday, this Thursday, the controller is transferring 177 million Ghana cedis to the Ministry of Health to pay the nursing training allowances. So I have also alerted Dr. Okoboy to be on standby. When the money hits the Ministry of Health account, they should move it quickly to the accounts of the nursing trainees so that they will have their alawa.
Opinion no eneda association nano perpetua ofori ampofo enso edito abaninim se wonhwe se womo aketua ene single spine womo ebeyemu ensachiremu na womo nso etimi akonenim.
It is about time we get decision makers to ensure that we are cared for and cared for very well. Madam Chair, Your Excellency, ladies and gentlemen, we put up a very beautiful proposal for the consideration of our employers. The process has been smooth, although it has been very tough getting the employer team to take on any new allowances. What we need at this time is for the negotiation to be concluded as soon as possible so that a new collective agreement can be enforced.
For MPP amanyoko no empanifo de kwadu bo Ora Collins Dauda and afe Eric Opoku se tension bia ne basabesa bia koso wo mantam ne mu se du abato ebremu asampanifo ni e de bo won na Ora kwabno wusu sekire ya we ya for regional chairman de sansemi etuja
and the regional executives yenyina yabo apro e wo region ni mu started wo STV South e Kotano South and I baby or Tano North, and I eat Mako STV South. So far, so good. Oshe region in more, Becca say, Adom. And ye, Sabi, Yenu Anomo, Penimfoa, Omonia Quenya Sum. Half of why or Madumamo Sum party, our more in fear bese, a duno and watchy, way dear duno. Let me feel say opportunity I have for the Amawono. Commotion be a free more. Ebe mpuntu but sabi registration nankasa de edana kwam then so na no we na sabi yenu anomo NDC fo led by honorable Collins Dauda and nkura na Erikupuku na domo de ba ye no na ade abaye kamo abeto ba we ye no free ho de a ka in general no metu akese registration no ekoso kama menu a wo beje de a say we obi all follow politics of Ghana hanoma before 2016 election across the whole Ghana, every 6 o'clock, bia no pa na say nwumre beka news Ghana bia ye be bo hafudi e din e be bo no so nye dimba e nipa mi no pe Collins Dauda na Erikupuku wo mo e na agisa wo no kana to wo mo so but the brand na do dan kwa be president 7 years under President Akufo-Addo administration afu atwo obia wo hafu ni ba sebe wote ha na wo amanone edi adanse se wonti yedi ya to election ya limited registration ya to this assembly election what e body be what e so be pray da bi
Edo sona Adom TV Badwam kase na hana brema kwan na no pay mediasie emre ni adaje a odema minti medase nemo mkoso ne entna fei na de bonkrata no online de enso ayenya no ye de bro nti be 2 minutes ye twe ho aba ne ba ya toso